viewers, this is Ms. Nasreen Fatma from TLC. TLC arranges Eid Milan parties, functions, celebrations, ceremonies everywhere, where students take part happily, willingly, sharing things with their friends. Yesterday we conducted Eid Milan party at TLC, and we had nice time because weather was pleasant. It was raining yesterday, and students took part willingly. Now move to students. How did they feel and how did they enjoy yesterday? नहीं आ रहा इधर. Carry on. Hello students. Okay, yesterday we had Eid Milan party at TLC and you're from Advance. Okay, how did you feel?
I feel very well. I enjoyed a lot. I was wanted to come to meet, to join party, to celebrate party, but unfortunately I didn't come because of...
You didn't come for what?
Yes, for party because of rain. It was quite rain and the street was quite wet, so that's why I feel little bit difficulties to come here to enjoy a party. But
it's a pity you were not here, but people enjoyed a lot. Yes. Okay. Yes, Mr. Faraz, how did you feel?
Yesterday I was also not here in TLC because of the weather. Weather didn't allow me to come because there was too much water on the street. My heart wanted to come, but weather didn't allow me. But I'll try my level best next time to enjoy party.
So what do you think about parties? Should we celebrate parties?
Yes. Without enjoyment, your life is incomplete, and you can't enjoy your life.
In party we can share our thoughts, our feelings. We can give loves. We can spread loves. If we give one smile, it means that you are getting virtues. So this is very nice to get.
That's right. Thank you. Yes, Miss. What do you think about parties?
I wanted to come yesterday, but I was not come here because rainy water, which is in my street and anywhere. That's why.
So you were enjoying weather at home?
Yes, I was. Yes, I was fully enjoying on my terrace.
Unfortunately, these people didn't come yesterday because they were enjoying raining yesterday. No problem. They are willing to come. They are willing to come next party. And let's see, some more people are here. Let me talk to them. Yes, hello. Madam Salam. How did you feel yesterday's party? You were present.
Yeah, I was present yesterday and I enjoyed a lot because the weather was very gorgeous and we enjoyed a lot. But my many fellows were absent yesterday because of heavily rain. But we enjoyed.
What did you enjoy?
We enjoyed a party with burger, chips, plus coleslaw, plus ketchup, and we chat with each other and we.
Right. Thank you very much. Yes, you came yesterday to.
Oh, I was sick. That's why I didn't.
You were sick. Okay. What do you think about parties at institutes?
I think there should be a party because we have to enjoy. We hard work, so we have to enjoy party.
So you want to say there must be some time for relaxation and party is the way.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. You came to party?
No, I didn't come. I didn't came on party because I went to my grandmother's home, so that's why. I feel very sad that it's a last party of Advance and I didn't came. But
no problem. What do you think about parties? Should we celebrate parties at institutes?
Yeah, it's very good for every children because they are a long time. They are a long time where we are do hard work and one day we take enjoy a lot. So that's why it's very good.
Okay. See, students are still willing to come to parties, but unfortunately, two boys didn't come. No problem. Next party they will join and they will enjoy happily. Now, some more students are here. Okay. Let me talk to them whether they came. Did you come yesterday?
Yes, I came.
You came. How did you enjoy?
I allowed a lot.
Okay. What did you enjoy the lot?
Maybe when for ET time I allowed this because in ET time I had zinger burger, cold drink, ice cream, many things I have eaten. So this time was good meal for me.
Okay. So eating a lot is enjoyment for you?
But miss, it is a part of enjoyment.
It's a part of enjoyment. Okay. Was there anything interesting?
Interesting that when I performed some drama, 2 dramas I performed because drama was good and I created entertainment and my friends they were very happy with me.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, Mr. Shoaib, you came yesterday?
Yes, I came yesterday.
Okay, how were you feeling yesterday?
About party. I think yesterday party was too much nice for me because yesterday due to rain, due to barish, due to rain, that was really awesome for me.
Right, okay.
And as well as for my friends.
So you were enjoying rainy weather or you were enjoying party?
I think both of them.
Both of them. Right, okay. And you did some more fun. I heard that you were singing song.
No, not me. My friend Shazeb sang a song in party and we enjoy a lot. And we eat something like zinger burger, cool drink and ice cream as well. So I think that was a very nice part in my life.
A happy moment in your life. Okay. Yes, miss, you came to party yesterday?
Yeah, definitely. I came.
How did you feel?
I was not enjoy in the party because when I was about to enjoy, at that moment my father came.
Oh, that's very bad. So what did you want to do and you couldn't?
At that moment, I was too much worried about party because at the moment I was starting to enjoy, but at the moment my father came, so I was too much upset at that time.
No problem. Next time, next party, you will enjoy more. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Some more students are here and ready to give comments about party. Let me ask them. Hello. Hey, my name is Islam. Did you come to party yesterday?
No, miss, I didn't come yesterday.
Why not?
Miss, actually, I have told to my friends that I had a lot of work because I had to complete those work which I have.
But don't you think that party is the way to share your happiness with people and because this moment will not come again?
But miss, actually, it was my compulsion. That's why I couldn't join the party. But next party, inshallah, and because of rain also.
Yeah, it was rainy weather as well. Here, right? Do you think that we should we should have a party at?
Yeah, miss, definitely we should conduct the party like Eid Milan party because as you know that in a classroom we shouldn't share our more thinking to our friends, but during the party we should we can share all things with our friends.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay. Yes, you came to party yesterday?
No.
Why not?
Because my friend was coming from Ahmedabad, so I wanted to receive him from the station. So that's why, and suddenly it was raining. It is difficult for me to reach here.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what benefits we get from parties?
It is good because this does never come in everyone's life. It is good for us, but unfortunately it was raining and it is difficult for me to reach here. So.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, miss, you were also not here?
Yes, miss, I was not also there because I was not feeling well. That's why I didn't come.
Okay, right. So you didn't come yesterday. What you missed yesterday? You were not here.
Yeah, I know I missed very enjoyable moments, but it was my compulsion that I didn't come.
Do you think that institutes should celebrate parties?
Yeah, institute should celebrate party because after getting diploma or after any study, we remember that it is very memorable for us that we go there, we go to parties and enjoy parties.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Shazeb, let me ask you, what should be done at parties? What more things should we do in parties?
According to me, first, due to rain yesterday, majority of students didn't come. So I think they have to create enthusiasm and they have to come in parties because this is what we can say nowadays. Circumstances is not good, and we have little opportunities to celebrate. So they have to come. If they come, so we will enjoy more and more.
What happens when people come to parties? They bring their food and their meal and they share with their friends.
Usually, if I told you to be honest, usually girls said that thing that don't give us anything, take money and buy something for market or anywhere. So it is good, and the same thing they have told us. So we bought everything for markets.
Okay. Apart from meal, what should be done?
I think because it is linguistic center, we do not forget this thing that we are coming here for learning. So in party, okay, it is party, we have to enjoy, doesn't matter, but we have to speak in English in parties.
At parties we should speak English?
Yeah, we should speak in English, we should sing song in English, whatever we have, whatever ability we have to do that. But yesterday I wanted to sing one song in English, but I didn't sing.
Okay, because of some reason. But it was rainy weather was very pleasant, so you should have sung some songs.
No, I wanted to, but few students, I think 7 students came yesterday, and they vanished after 1 or half an hour, so I didn't have a time to sing that song. That's why.
Thank you very much. Yes, were you present yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
What do you think about parties? Should we celebrate parties at our institutes?
I want to come, but
No, should we celebrate parties or not?
yes, we should celebrate the party.
Why?
Because it's very memorable days for us, because the classes days and which we learning here can't come again and again, and I want to come here, but the weather was very rainy and my family didn't allow me to come here, and okay, I couldn't come.
What benefits do we get from parties and some kind of celebrations?
I think that when we come here and we celebrate the parties, our class fellows and we all of sit together and we celebrate, get together, and it's very good for us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, Mujesh. These are the comments from advanced class students. Some of them came yesterday to participate in parties. Some were absent due to weather. Okay. But they gave very good comments about parties, that we should celebrate parties because these are the moments we can never forget in our lives. And these moments can never come back again. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.